1500 plus vocabulary with the right uses of words and related images that help you to memorize longer. Let's start. Adapt. দক্ষ বা পটু. Cristiano Ronaldo is an adept football player. Adhere. দৃঢ়ভাবে লেগে থাকা. A paint's ability to adhere to a surface will vary with the type and quality of resins it contains. Adherent. অনুগামী বা সমর্থক. Sudhir Kumar is a popular adherent of Sachin Tendulkar. Admonish. মৃদুভাবে বকা দেওয়া. Mr. Smith is frequently admonished his daughter without any solid reason. Adorn. শোভিত করা বা অলঙ্কৃত করা. The queen adorned herself with diamond necklace. Adroit. দক্ষ বা নিপুণ. William Smith is an adroit actor. Adulation. তোষামত করা বা অতি প্রশংসা করা. The boss thrived on the adulation of his screaming assistant. Advent. আগমন. The advent of 4G gives us an opportunity to browse faster in less time. Adverse. প্রতিকূল বা বৈরী অবস্থা. Airplanes often don't fly in adverse weather. Aesthetic. রুচিজ্ঞান সম্পন্ন বা সৌন্দর্য সম্পর্কিত. The aesthetic of the Hotel Radisson Blu is clean, modern and natural. Affable. বন্ধুসুলভ. The dog is affable. It likes to lick little children on the nose. Affinity. তীব্র অনুরাগ বা আকর্ষণ. Ducks have an affinity for water. That is, they like to be in it. Affluent. ধনী বা সম্পদশালী. Anyone can be affluent, like Bill Gates. All it takes is money. Agenda. আলোচ্যসূচি. Students should make an agenda of topics. What he will study the next day. Aggravate. শোচনীয়তর অবস্থা. Vitamin C as ascorbic acid may aggravate stomach ulcer if used in high levels. For more videos, subscribe our channel and keep your learning ahead. Thanks for watching.